get my hand?
Maeve, go help Saoirse. Maeve, help Saoirse. Where's Saoirse?
There.
There she is. She needs your help. Go help her. You're not going to help?
Mom, please help me.
Okay, I will help you. Oh, yeah. Good job.
Mom, what
Yes.
you made?
I helped you get out from under the bed. It was a lot cuter when you did it, Maeve.
Mom, I didn't go play this.
Do you need help? Oh, help me, thank you. Are you good? Oh, thank you. Would you like it back?
Mom, yes, Saoirse and the cat.
Where did Saoirse and the cat go?
Hey, Mom, what is that sound?
That was your egg clock going off.
Mom?
Yeah?
Get and Saoirse.
Okay, Maeve, can you get Saoirse and I'll help the kitty cat?
Okay.
Okay, Maeve, get Saoirse. Get Saoirse. Where's her hand? Get Saoirse's hand. Okay, I'll help you. Oh, you'll have to hold on to the kitty, though. Oh.
Wow.
Good job. Everybody's out. Clonk, clonk, clonk.
Hey, Mom.
Yes.
You're in the net.
You're making a nest? Oh, you're making a nest in a pot.
Yeah, Mom, get that net.
A kitty cat nest in a pot.
Hey, Mom.
Ah! Who's hiding?
What's hiding?
Oh, there's a kitty cat hiding in that pot.
Mom, we go hold this,
You want me to hold that pot?
and I go under.
You're going to go under the bed?
Yeah. Mom,
Yes.
I can go on my feet.
That would be a very good idea. Then you don't have to turn around under there. Oh! Maeve found the kitty.
Mom, the kitty go way in that pot.
Here we go, kitty. Let's wait in the pot for Saoirse to come out. Back in your nest. Thank you, Maeve.
Oh,
It's okay.
oh no, Maeve.
No, Maeve. Here. Saoirse wants the kitty to wait in the pot until she gets back. Can you put the lid on? Good job. Go help Saoirse. Go help Saoirse. Saoirse needs your help.
We get Caesar.
Help Saoirse, Maeve. Go get her fingers. Where are her fingers? No, the pot doesn't need your help. Saoirse needs your help. Come on, let's go get Saoirse. Oh, oh, oh. Ah, yay! And there's the kitty waiting for you in the pot.
Mom, you not kitty cat go there.
Is the kitty cat going to go under the bed now, too?
What? Hey, Mom, you're under. You go this way. Oh.
Where did your sister go? Maeve, help Saoirse.
Mama.
Yes.
Mom.
She's reaching at her. Oh, there you go. Get her, Maeve. Oh, she's giving you a pot. There you go. Pull. Pull, pull, pull. Yay! Good job.
Mom,
Big helper girl. Did Maeve help you?
Whoa.
Whoa.
Mom,
Yes.
what's under?
What's under there?
Cat.
There's a cat under there? Well, Maeve has the cat nest all ready to go. Bing, 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 bing.
I did it.
You did it! And Maeve helped. Yay!